In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to maintain a position in the organisational tree. A position can be added to a department or a sub-department, and a position can have a sub-position too. Let's take a look. From the Human Resources tab up here, click on Organisational Tree, and this is the page that you're going to see. Looking at our tree here, you can see that we've already got an entity and a department set up. Now let's add a position to the department. Remember that you may have multiple departments that exist already like this, so make sure that you've clicked on the correct department that you're wanting to add the position to. Then click here on New Position. As a double check, you can see looking here that I'm creating a position for the Administration Department. Now let's add details of the position. The title is a required field. Add an abbreviation if you want to, but it's more intended for positions such as Chief Executive Officer, where you'd write CEO. Add how many people are in the position and also the default employment type, like full-time, part-time, etc. Add as much detail as you like about the position in this area and then save. Add sub-positions if you want to by following the same process. Now you can see that the tree is really starting to grow.